Huh?
You got to blow it all over here. That's why the grass ain't growing.
What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Let me show you my most challenging property. And this is a, let me see, make sure nobody's coming. This is a temporary. First of all, this is a live oak tree, and you see all the roots, right? They protrude extremely outward, and you can't mow straight lines. You have to kind of dib and dab and string trim and this and that or whatever. So it is a challenge, and you guys may say, well, you know, it's a small yard. Yeah, I understand that, but there's a lot of little leaves, so it has to be mulch. And this takes a little bit of time. Then going back and forth, you have to kind of swipe in and out, in and out. And over here is a gang of ground mold, so you know they make your blade dull. So and yeah, there's nothing that you can do about it. Now here's the big part. Look at this. This is crazy. Not sure why they did that, but it is what it is. This is a dip, so you can't drive a 36 in the back here, you know, unless you put a ramp and all that good stuff. Guys, I'm not doing all of that. I'm not doing the ramp thing, none of that stuff. So what I do is I push mow this one. I usually string trim it, but today I'm going to push mow it, and which I usually don't do, but it's all to help a soldier. You know what I mean? The last thing I need is to have, oh dang, cobweb. Oh. Oops. Yeah. Last thing I need is for them to be gone and them having this issue. You know what I mean? And right beside there is the one that I usually do. So I'm in the area. Why not, right? I've been doing this property for the past 2 months, and not sure how many more months, but it's not permanent. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and yeah, enjoy.
That's why it ain't growing.
Huh?
You got to blow it all over here. That's why the grass ain't growing. I got a request for you.
Oh, we good, thank you.
I got a request for you.
What you got?
It's a little job.
You want that to clean up?
No, I want the weed eater by the house over here. You see all that grass right there?
Uh-huh.
How much you charge me for that?
I hit it real quick.
Thanks, sweetheart.
All right. Man, what a morning. Hold on. Whew. So the people that hired me for this job, they're not here. No one is there, so I take pictures right after the job is completed, whatever the case might be. But the neighbor is pissed because the tree is dropping a lot of leaves on her yard and she's trying to grow her grass. So when she saw me, you know, she was upset. She wasn't cussing at me or whatever the case might be, but she was pretty angry, and she said, hey, listen, you know, do you mind picking up the leaves or whatever on this side or whatever the case might be? And I told her, no, I can only do what I'm paid for. It was explained to the owner that, you know, you need a leaf bagging every time you come out here, whatever the case might be. He says, no, just mow it, and once a month or whenever I let you know, you can pick up the leaves. You know, at the end of the day, I don't think they care about the grass. They're not here, but you know, it always looked like that anyway. But yeah, so she was mad, pissed off, blowing, as you can tell, and then she turned around and apologized to me. You know, once I told her, listen, I'm only here to do a job temporarily. This is what I'm getting paid for, whatever the case might be. She says, yeah, but you know, I always had an issue with him because, you know, we've been arguing and discussing, you know, he needs to be picking up his leaves or whatever. Ma'am, I'm just here to mow the grass. That's it. I'm here to mow the grass. Okay, I do apologize, you know, my bad, you know. She was really nice about it. And then she turned around and said, do you mind trimming this real quick? I don't have a weed eater, you know, I'm scared of the weed eater. Do you mind trimming this real quick? And you know, how much do you charge? And I said, you know what, as you guys can tell, it was just a little piece. I said, you know what, bump it. I'll do it for free. No big deal. Just hit it real quick. It took me, you know, no big deal. And life goes on. But yeah, man, it's a trip. The things you go through as a lawn care provider. All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.